Hello Junior 4. How are you? Hope you all are fine. We are finished concept 1 and now we are in concept 2 and let's start to study lesson 1. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. In this lesson, we're gonna talk about the senses, the 5 senses. Living organisms have senses. Senses like what? Like hearing, like sight, like smell, like taste, like touch. So, senses like hearing, smell, taste, touch, and sight. Let's see the first example. In this picture, what the sense in this picture? The sense is hearing. He is listening to the music, so it use the sense of hearing. Next one. In this picture, owl use the sense of hearing and sight to be able to find their prey in the dark. So owls use the sense of hearing and sight to be able to find their prey in the dark. Next picture, dog. Dog has very sharp senses of hearing and smell. So dogs have senses of hearing and smell. The next picture, the Egyptian mangoes. Egyptian mangoes make sounds to communicate with other mangoes or to move from one place to another to search for food. So Egyptian mangoes make sounds so it can use the sense of hearing. Now we will talk about dolphin senses. Dolphins have sharp sense of hearing to hear all kinds of sound. But how can dolphins locate organisms and other things underwater? How can dolphins find the prey underwater? Dolphins use a property known as echolocation. So the property of dolphin is called echolocation. It depends on echo. What the meaning of echo? Echo is the bouncing back of sound waves. Bouncing back of sound waves. What the meaning of bouncing back? The sound is returned back. The sound is returned back or return back the sound. Return back the sound. So echo is bouncing back of sound waves when they hit a solid surface. Solid surface like what? Like prey, like fish, or maybe rock. So one more time. Echo is the bouncing back of sound waves when they hit a solid surface. So dolphins use property known as echolocation, and this property depends on echo. To what? To know the location of other living organisms or other objects underwater. To locate, to find the location of living organisms and objects underwater. Now let's see how dolphins use the property of echolocation. First, dolphin produce sound waves. Dolphin produces sound waves. These sound waves travel through water, moves through water. Second, these waves hit object or hit solid object. Like what? Like rock, or like prey, like fish. And then sound waves bounce back, return back to the dolphin in the form of echo. So the returning back of sound waves is called echo. Third, echo helps the dolphin to locate or to find the location of the prey and other objects. So, dolphin produces sound waves. These sound waves hit solid objects. Sound waves return back to the dolphin as echo, and then dolphin can find the location of its prey or other objects underwater. So what's the sense that the dolphin use in echolocation property? What's the sense that the dolphin use in echolocation property? Write the answer down in comments. As we said at the beginning of this video, living organisms have senses. Living organisms have senses. And also animals have senses, like humans. Each animal can use more than one sense to adapt in its habitat. Let's see some examples about animals and their senses and the purpose of each sense. Number 1, fox. Fox has the sense of hearing and sight. Fox has the senses of hearing and sight. To do what? To avoid danger. To avoid danger. Number 2, chameleon. Chameleon has senses of sight and taste. Sight and taste. To do what? To find food. To find food. Number 3, dog. Dog has the senses of smell and sight. To do what? To recognize friends. To know its friends. Number 4, monkey. Monkey has the senses of touch, smell, sight, taste, and hearing. So monkey has the 5 senses. To do what? To identify objects, to know objects. That's all about our video today. Thank you and see you soon in another video. Let me know if you have any questions.